Hi, this is Matt from Otinus. We're here at our fabulous showroom here in Bloomingdale, Illinois, at our open house here on December 10th, 2025. Innovation, machinery, technology. We're here with our customers and our fabulous partners, displaying all of the Otinus machinery.
Hi, I'm Ralph Dimter from US Bank out in Naperville, Illinois. I specialize in business financing. Otinus is one of our longtime clients. We offer business solutions, all type of ranges, from equipment finance to anything. And that's one of the things we hope to continue to grow with Otinus.
And we're here with our good friend and partner, Jim Sluter. He's one of our distributors from Tennessee.
I stopped by to see the showroom. It's a very nice place.
Hi, my name is Greg Swigert. My company is Blackout Equipment. We're located in northern Illinois, up in Fox River Grove. We're here at the Otinus Open House, and they're taking care of everyone and showing us their equipment. So we're here at an open house. Nice food. Since I got a little Polish blood in me, we were having Polish dumplings, cabbage, so that was all good.
I'm here with Paul.
Ruprecht. Happy to attend the open house here today. I'm from, I cover Minnesota.
For Crane Production System. Mike and I are going to be here waiting for you February 12th. See you next time.
Thank you.
Otinus, we serve you.